In a quiet neighborhood, three tiny kittens, Bella, Max, and Coco, love to explore and dream of exciting adventures. One sunny afternoon, they were playing behind an old toy shop when Max spotted something unusual. "Max, look, there's a tiny glowing door in the wall." "Bella, that's strange. Should we open it?" "Coco, maybe it leads to yummy food." They pushed the little door crack and suddenly, whoosh! A magical wind pulled them inside. Narrator: the kittens opened their eyes and found themselves in a colorful world filled with giant toys, sparkling lights, and happy music. "Bella, wow, where are we?" "Coco, this must be cat heaven." "Max, I think it's a magical play city." A friendly robot Teddy rode toward them. Teddy Bot: welcome, little cats. I am Teddy Bot. You discovered the secret entrance to Play City, but something is wrong. The fun magic is fading. Bella: oh no, how can we help? Teddy Bot: you must collect 3 fun crystals hidden in different parts of the city. Only then will the joy return. Narrator: the kittens agreed bravely and began their fantastic mission. First stop, the Slide Mountain. Giant slides twisted in the air like colorful ribbons. "Max, I see the first crystal at the top." "Bella, last one up is a sleepy cat." They raced up sliding, laughing until Max grabbed the crystal. Next, they reached the bubble park. Bubbles floated everywhere, making popping giggles. "Coco, Bubbles, my favorite." He chased a giant bubble, and inside it the second crystal. Narrator: with 2 crystals collected, they headed to the final challenge, the merry-go-round castle. The castle spun slowly, covered in glowing stars. "Bella, the last crystal is on top." "Max, let's climb the horses." "Coco, hold on tight." They climbed, spun, and meowed with excitement until pop. Bella held the last crystal high. Teddy Bot appeared again, sparkling with joy. "Teddy Bot, you did it, little heroes. The magic is back. Play City is saved." Narrator: lights burst into the sky like rainbow fireworks. Laughter and music filled every